Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Taste. We'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and my one side setting powder to set it. Now I'm taking a brown shade out the Morphe James Charles palette and I'm just putting that in my crease. Also, if you're watching and not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short on Monday and a new video every Friday. So yeah, I'm trying to grow my channel, so I really appreciate if you all would do that. Now I'm taking a white shade out the same palette and I'm putting that on the inner parts of my lids. Now I'm taking a gold glitter and putting that on the part of the white shade, like overlapping part of the white shade. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Sweet Pinks eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that shade and put that on the end parts of my eyes. Now I'm going to use my Stilla matte liquid eyeliner. Next I'm going to use my House of Lashes eyelash glue and my Ioni Lashes. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil and I'm going to use my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm using my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For my foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. To highlight, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm, and I'll put this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that concealer is sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use that top shade to go around my jawline and contour my nose, and the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Okay, I blended out that concealer, and now I'm going to use a combination of my One Size setting powder and my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. And I'm just using that to set where I put that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Volume 4 palette, and I'm just going to use that shade for my blush. Now I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D Highlighter Palette, and I'm just going to take that shade for my highlighter. Now I'm using the LA Girl Matte Flat Velvet Lipstick in Snuggle, and I'm using my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. Now I'm using my Cover FX setting spray to set my face. And that's it for this makeup look. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell, and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. Also, I upload a new short on Monday and a new video on Friday. All my social media handles will be listed in the description box, as well as everything that I used. And I appreciate you all watching. Thank you. And I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.